Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Hoover H Purifier 300, and now I'm going to show you how to install a new filter on this device. So firstly, you need to disable it, you need to unplug it from the electricity power, then you need to open the lid. Open the cover. To do it, you need to pull the cover on this place. And as you can see, here we have the place for our filter. Here I have a new filter, so it's not new, but I just want to show you how to do it. So you need to insert this filter inside. Okay. And here, as you can see, we have the lock button. And as you can see here, I have the sign that to lock, I need to pull it left. That's it. Now just close the cover. That's cool. Now we can clean our air. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.